Hello and welcome to Look and Learn English. My name's Martin, and in this lesson we're going to talk about the journey to work. Let's look at the scene together. It is a street scene. There is a man, and he works in an office. We can say he is a businessman or an office worker. There is a schoolboy. The schoolboy goes to school. He wears a uniform. In the street scene, there is also a big red bus. The bus takes people to work or to school. Let's talk about the man and what he wears to work. The man wears a blue hat. It is a blue bowler hat. Because the man works in an office and he wants to look smart, he wears a dark blue suit. A suit means a jacket and trousers. The man also wears a nice tie. In his hands, he carries an umbrella to protect against the rain and a briefcase to put his documents inside. He also wears smart shoes on his feet. Let's ask some questions. Does the man wear a hat? Yes, the man wears a hat. What else does he wear? A suit. He wears a smart suit. Why does he wear a suit to work? Because he is a businessman. He wants to look smart. Let's talk about how the businessman travels to work. The businessman leaves home every morning and he does not take the car. He does not ride on his bicycle. Instead, he takes the bus. He travels by bus until he reaches the park. He leaves the bus at the park and he walks through the park until he reaches the other side. On the other side of the park, he reaches the street, and at the street, he waits. There is a crossing. He crosses the street when it is safe. There is a flashing light at the crossing to warn motorists and to identify the crossing. Okay, now let's ask some questions about how the man travels to work. Does the man drive his car? No, he doesn't drive his car to work. He takes the bus. When he leaves the bus, where does he go? The park. When he leaves the bus, he walks through the park. What does he do next? When he reaches the other side of the park, he waits, and then he crosses the road at the crossing. Let's talk about the schoolboy. The schoolboy does not go to work. He goes to school. He wears a uniform. His uniform is made of a yellow t-shirt, a yellow cap, and dark blue shorts. When he goes to school, he also takes a bag with him. We can see it is a blue bag over his shoulder. When the boy goes to school, he wears roller skates on his feet. He skates to school. Okay, let's ask some questions. Can you answer them with me? Does the schoolboy go to work? No, he goes to school, not work. What does the schoolboy wear? A uniform. He wears a uniform. How does the schoolboy travel to school? He skates to school. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. For worksheets and to get more English, please visit us on Patreon. You can click the link in the description below. See you soon. Bye-bye.